Hi, welcome to Karthik Crazy Crafts. Today I would like to make a clock. First we want to take a cardboard and cut it in round shape like this and make a hole about 6 mm, and the clock machines are available in Amazon and Flipkart. This is the machines of clock. Let's begin to our show. Fix this to the machine like this and fix it like this, and this is a bolt of the machine. Fix the bolt to machine and clock and fix this bolt in up and fix the clock ties in this like this and fix the last part in this and write numbers and draw your favorite cartoons as you like. Subscribe for more videos and click the bell icon for notifications. Like, share and subscribe. Favorite picture in my clock. You draw your favorite picture or color the clock with your favorite color. Let's check the clock is working or not. Turn the clock and fix the battery to this and check it. It's working. Let's set the time to clock. The time is 12:30. I'm set time. Subscribe for more videos and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you.